everyone, it's Angela here from Cornerstone Auto, and today I am going to show you the 2020 Ford Edge. Now the Edge is one of Ford's larger SUV crossovers. It sits between the Ford Escape as well as the Ford Explorer. You have comfortable seating for up to 5 adults. You do not have the third row seat in the Edge, but that gives you a lot more cargo space. So making our way to the front of the vehicle here, we do have HID headlamps. You do have daytime running headlamps, which are just around your headlamps with your fog lamps below. Now you do have a suite of safety features available on the Edge. That's going to be like your blind spot monitoring, your adaptive cruise control, your lane departure warning, your park assist, and your backup camera, just to name a few. Now it is powered by a 2.0 liter i4 engine, which gets you about 250 horsepower. As you can see, it does have some nice chrome accents to give it a nice appealing exterior look. We do have 4 different trim levels available in the Edge. You have your SE, your SEL, your Titanium, and the ST, which is more of your sport line. Now we are looking at the SEL. This is going to be our most popular selling trim level and is about middle of the line with upgrades. Taking a look at the interior here, you do have a nice black on black interior with leather seats. Now the passenger side in this particular model is just heated, but you can upgrade to heated and ventilated. It is power adjusting, so it is very comfortable for your passengers. And then in the center console, we do have the Sync 3 system, and that is full of technology, and we'll touch on that shortly. Now taking a look at our second row here, we do have a 60-40 bench split available for your passengers in back. In the center for the back passengers, you have vents as well as power outlets. Now on this one, you will see up top, it is equipped with a panoramic sunroof to add some extra light into your interior as well as some fresh air. Now if you need a little bit extra cargo space, this seat does fold down to give you a little bit more flat storage area. Making our way to the back of the Edge here, you do have your backup camera, and then you do have your backup sensors, and you can tow up to 3,500 pounds when properly equipped. Now this particular model is not equipped, but you can upgrade to the power lift gate. As you can see, there is a ton of cargo space in the Edge. You even have a little bit of storage down below here as well, which with having your spare tire. You have some little cubbies on both sides as well as some hooks to help keep your groceries intact. And then you do have the option to power fold down the third row, or the second row, I'm sorry. So you do have a nice flat surface. Making our way over to the wheels here, we do have 18-inch wheels available on this Edge, but there are a ton of different configurations available to you. I just want to show you what the second row looks like when it is folded down. Now we do have a smart key here, so as long as you are within 3 feet of any of the doors, you will be able to gain access. This particular one does not have a remote start, but you are able to upgrade to that. You will see we have the exterior keyless entry pad, and then on your side mirrors where you're going to find your blind spot sensor. Taking a look at the driver's side here, this particular model is not equipped, but you can upgrade to the memory seats. And then on the driver's side, it is very similar to the passenger side. You can have heated or ventilated seats. You do have power adjusting. And then to the left of the steering wheel, you will see that you have the button for the traction control. So let's jump on in and check out the inside. So here we are on the inside of the 2020 Ford Edge. We are in the SEL, so middle of the trim level, which is our most popular here at Cornerstone. So I'm gonna go over some of the upgrades the SEL has, and then if you are looking for anything else, we'll be able to touch on that shortly. So up top here, we do have the sunroof that we mentioned. And then you do have your auto dimming mirror, and then you have your 8-inch Sync 3 system screen. So this is the home screen. You have your audio screen, and then you have climate, phone to be able to connect your phone, and then in your apps here, you're able to download your mobile apps. And then in your settings, you have your Wi-Fi and then Ford Pass Connect. So this is an app that you can also download on your smartphone, which will allow you to lock and unlock your car, as well as start and stop your car. And then you are able to see where it was last parked, as well as get a bunch of different service bulletins. You have your display information, valet mode, Bluetooth, and then mobile apps. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then this particular model is also equipped with the navigation. So down below here is going to be your hard buttons for your audio. And then you do have climate control buttons with your heated seat button. In here is a little bit of storage with a couple USB outlets. And then you do have your rotary shifter. And then your S is going to be a little bit more of a sport mode, and you have the adjusting pedals on the back of your steering wheel. Down below that is going to be your electronic parking brake, as well as the button to turn off your auto start stop feature. Taking a look at your steering wheel here, you do have your hard buttons for your audio as well as your phone and voice. And then on this side is going to be your adaptive cruise control. Now taking a look at your driver information center, on the left you will see you have display mode, trip information, fuel economy, driver assist, and settings. And then on the right hand side is kind of like a mini Sync 3 system, so you have your entertainment information and navigation as well as phone information. So that was a really quick overview of what the SEL offers. If you are looking for anything else, we have a variety of trim levels and packages available on the Edge. So feel free to give us a call at 763-441-2300, and don't forget to check us out at cornerstoneauto.com.